Hello students, in this video we will learn to print a document in MS Word 2013. MS Word allows the user to print a document. The printed copy of a document is known as hard copy. To print a document, click on File tab. In the left pane, select the print option in the drop-down list. Select the printer in the printer drop-down list. In the settings section, click on the print all pages drop-down list. Various options appears. The very first is print all pages. It prints the entire document. Second is print selection. It prints only the selected part of the document. Note that to activate this option, you need to first select the text to be printed in the document. The third is print current page. It prints only the active page. The fourth one is custom print. It prints specific pages section or range. So let us try custom print option. After clicking on custom print option, specify the pages to be printed in the pages box. If you want to print the different pages, then type the pages separating them with the help of comma. Whereas to print a range of pages, use a hyphen to define it. It will print all the pages from the page number 2 to 5. Under the copies box, specify the number of copies you wish to print. If you want to print the 3 copies of a document, then choose the collate option. The collated option first prints a complete set of pages and then print the second set and so on. Whereas uncollated option prints the 3 copies of page 1, then 3 copies of page 2 and so on. Once the setting is final, click on Print button. In this way, we can print a document in MS Word 2013. Thank you.